front of us, right here in front of us. Look, behind the tree. See his orange tip? Right there. Heads up. Oh, sorry. Right there. Who got gun? I know, but where? It should be you. He's hit. Got him. Really? Nuh-uh. No, there's guys over. Whoa, where are you getting hit from? Oh, shit. Really? I know, I heard them too. They're coming back again. Hold on. Got to our left right here. Shit. Loading.
They're coming through. They're right there. Right there.
Holy shit, they're all right there. What's going on? Is this fucking... God damn it. I got 2 mags left. Hit. Got him. Got him. To our right, there's a guy to our right still. Who? Why? Who's in there?
We're attackers.
No, we're not. We're defenders. Hold it. Right here. Right here behind us. Oh, shit. We're about to get raped. They're coming from all angles now. Oh, hit! 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 Shitty part is I need ammo.
I got hit with a gun, and I was like, I wish gun had.
Dude, I really don't think they even knew we were there.
Well, they did. They were zeroing on you. These guys over here.
Just now.
Oh yeah.
The whole beginning of it, they didn't even know we were there. We were just wiping them out. And they didn't know where
This
we were
dude
coming
over
from.
here. There's a dude over here who was sitting here the whole game.
Oh, that guy right there?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's not how you use a sniper rifle.
What? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's not very big right now, but yeah. Oh, Countryman Airsoft. Pretty stupid, but it's awesome at the same time.
That's the fun nature.
Yeah, exactly. You can be as stupid as you want. Stupid as you want. Yeah, this is awesome. I've got 2 mags left. Not even a mag and a half. Yeah. Oh, do you have BBs? I don't want to use your BBs, man. Oh. I appreciate it.
Good shot.
I was waiting for him to call it. I know damn good well he was hit at some point.
I love how he moved up right in front of us.
Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know because I didn't see him. Yeah, they won. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, they thought they got us all out.
bad idea. It's not a bad idea at all.
I know.
That is not a bad idea at all.